Ben here at Ben Robotics down here. Hey Ben, what you got for us going on?
We have the KL1 humanoid robot, 15 kilos or 40-pound payload, drives around autonomously, picks and places, and works in your warehouse or factory.
Oh, pretty awesome. Tell us about this. I know something interesting about this is this looks like a, what kind of finish it is? Looks like some kind of plastic finish?
Yeah, so the thing that we use here is this is all actually 3D printed in metal, so you can just give it your STL file. 2 weeks later, you have the part come back in metal.
Oh, that is amazing. How long did it take you to build something like this?
So this is our 4th generation. We managed to build the first prototype in about 3 to 4 months.
Wow, that's fast. Wow, you must have a big team.
20 people.
Wow, 20 smart people.
Definitely.
So what are you guys looking forward to in the MODEX, and what are you guys looking for in next year?
We are looking at all the booths, see what's out there. We're always interested in motors, cameras, everything like that to make this better.
Yes. What camera are you using that makes it work?
Well, at the moment we use, in the base, we actually use Orbbec.
I think a year down the road when this thing go huge production, we can definitely help, you know?